Hello, everyone. I wanted to share with you the number of membership and learning sites that we've built and the huge diversity. It really makes for an interesting business for me and my team because we get to just explore all the different topics that people are using. And I think it'll show you as I go through the list that no business cannot build a course. There's no reason why that's not the case. So let me just get started. So we're currently working to launch or relaunch a site that helps law school students get through law school. We built a site that works for pharmacy students, people who have graduated from pharmacy school, to get them through their state board exams here in the United States. It's done state by state. We've built several homeschool sites. One teaches parents how provides homeschool parents with options for teaching the arts, everything from guitar to drama to art. And if you don't know that art or that kind of skill, it's hard for you to teach it to your children. We have business training, so employees work better with the disabled. And by the way, this site is just fabulous, really nicely designed. We work with their artists very closely, and it's just spectacular looking site. We work with programs for families that are dealing with children that are on the spectrum. We worked with a couple that provides Cry-Cut crafting teaching programs. I didn't know what Cry-Cut crafting was. I know it now. And if you visit their site, you can learn all about it. We built a workout program, a music mixing learning site, which is now expanding into teaching people how to play hard rock. We've got a program for improving sales in the construction and automotive aftermarket, a weight loss program, a program for writing your first book, a positive psychology and mindfulness program, a prayer resource. This is a Christian guy who's going to retire in a little bit, a copywriting course, a course for teaching real estate investments. Sky's the limit. There's nothing you can't be teaching online if you understand the topic. And what I want to encourage business owners to do is think about what it is you do, how you interact with your clients. What is it that you offer them? Can you create the alternative online? There's a lot of benefits. You have more impact. You can reach people that maybe could not afford to work with you one-on-one. You can work with online programs in a group format, and that's really a nice option. And then you can also add community features because we do a lot of work with BuddyBoss. So just wanted to share with you, we have a lot of fun working with our clients, and every day we run into a new business, and we're happy to work with them to see how we can get their materials online.